Welcome to my channel. Today's class is about Debenture Redemption Reserve. As per the provisions of the Companies Act 1956, a company must set a part of the profits every year and transfer to Debenture Redemption Reserve for the redemption of debentures until the debentures are redeemed. And as per the SEBI guidelines, Securities and Exchange Board of India, every company, the creation of the debenture redemption reserve is obligatory, and the company should create debenture redemption reserve equal to at least 50% of the amount of debenture issued after starting the redemption of debenture. And another thing about debenture redemption reserve is that the debenture redemption reserve account appears on the liability side of the balance sheet under the head reserves and surplus. When the debentures are redeemed, the requisite amount of debenture redemption reserve is transferred to general reserve. Here's a problem regarding the debenture redemption reserve. Here, XYZ Limited issued 215% debentures of rupees 100 each on January 1st, 2010 at discount of 10%, redeemable at premium of 10% out of profits. Give journal entries at the time of issue of redemption of debentures of if the debentures are to be redeemed in lump sum at the end of fourth year. The directors decide to transfer the minimum amount to debenture redemption reserve on December 31st, 2011. So, we have to pass on the journal entries. Before passing on journal entries, we have to first write the name of the firm. There is Books of XYZ Limited, and we have to draw the format of journal. Then first entry will be regarding the issue of debentures. The issue of debentures is made on the date of issue of debentures is January 1st, 2010. That date we gave in the date column. Then here the debentures are issued at discount and they are redeemed at premium. So there is a loss on discount of debentures. Full amount is not received on issue and extra amount is paid on redemption. So there is loss on debentures. So the entry for loss on debentures and if it is the debentures is redeemable at premium is bank account debtor loss on issue of debentures account debtor to 15% debentures to the percentage, the interest rate on debentures is 15%. So 15% debentures account to premium on redemption of debenture account. Here 15% debenture account, the amount will be the full amount of debentures, that is 200 into 100. That amount will be 20,000. Then premium on redemption of debentures. Percentage of premium is 10%. So 20,000 into 10 by 100. 2,000 will be the amount. Then loss on issue of debentures. As I said earlier, there is a loss on issue and on redemption. So the issue of the debentures are issued at discount of 10%. So the amount will be 20,000 into 10 by 100. Amount will be 2,000. Then the loss regarding the premium on redemption of debentures, that is 2,000. So 2,000 plus 2,000, the amount is 4,000. That will be the loss on issue of debentures. Then bank account, the amount that the company received on receiving the application money. That is 20,000 minus 2,000. 2,000 discount. So the amount will be 18,000. Then at the end of this year, that is 2010, 14 December 31. The date is December 31. This financial year is beginning on January 1. So the ending year date will be 31st December. Here the debenture redemption reserve account has to be created, and we have to transfer the amount to the debenture redemption reserve. That is a statement of profit and loss account debtor to debenture redemption reserve account. Here, as I said earlier, the minimum amount as per the SEBI guidelines is 50% on the issue of debentures. The 20,000 is the full amount of debentures. 50% on the full issued money on debentures. That is 20,000. In 50 by 100 will be 10,000. So, narration, transfer of profits to debenture redemption reserve as per the section 117C and SEBI. Then the amount due on redemption of debentures. On the same date, the entry will be 15% debenture account debtor to debenture account debtor, premium on redemption of debentures account debtor to debenture holders account. Here the full amount of debenture is 20,000. Premium, as we have already calculated, 2,000. So here 20,000 plus 2,000 will be 22,000. The amount due on debenture redemption. Then this amount is paid to the debenture holders. So debenture holders account debtor to bank account 22,000. Then on the same date, this after the redemption of debentures, there is the amount of debenture amount is paid to the debenture holders. We have to transfer the debenture reserve account to the general reserve, as I said earlier. The entry will be debenture redemption reserve account debtor to general reserve. We have already calculated the minimum amount on redemption of the minimum amount to be transferred to the debenture redemption reserve, 10,000. Then narration, transfer of debenture redemption reserve to general reserve after total redemption. It may be noted that when the debenture redemption reserve is created, redemption of debentures is termed as redemption out of profits. Otherwise, it is treated as redemption out of capital. That's all for today. Thank you.